take the compliment? What if it's not a compliment? What if I wasn't going for a masculine aesthetic? Huh? What if I wasn't? What if I wasn't? How come I know your list of favorite Twitch streamers? Never mind, this game sucked! I hated this game! This game sucked! Ain't right there. Dare I say it? Ugh! How come I know your list of favorite Twitch streamers? Never mind, this game sucked! I hated this game! This game sucked! Nah, I'm playing. It's a good game. That's crazy. It really ain't crazy, though, when you live by yourself. What if somebody breaks in, then they're getting choke slammed by a butt-naked dude? That's all there is to it. If somebody breaks into my house while I'm showering, the last thing I'm concerned about is them seeing me naked. I'm more concerned like, oh, somebody just broke into my house. You about to die. Yo, Veronica with the right way. GG. There's a door! You gotta be fisting me right now. There's no way this plan.
Oh, can you? I wanted to be a doctor. You took that away from me.
I didn't do that.
Please, tell me how to fix this.
I'll see you in hell, Dad.
Wait, this isn't real. He's gone. I can't bring her back.
You act like you don't want to.
You have
No, you don't, or you wouldn't have done what you did. Yo, if you're crying it now. The plant. I gotta go this way. I don't even think I got enough room. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye. Stop. We're good. Oh, they about to get hit with ads. The plant. Somebody said bro had a bro had an out-of-body experience. Everything normal? Maybe this was all a bad dream. Emily, are you upstairs? Do you like candy corn? I do like candy corn. Candy corn's actually good. I like candy corn. It's good. Candy corn's overhated for no reason. It's actually... That quote not really go with this, but okay. That's a good game! Go. You see that flick? Are you seriously gonna keep following me? What? Life. Emily. Emily, is this your room? No, this is definitely our room. There's beer right beside the bed. Yep, this is definitely our room. Hello?
Emily?
Ban everybody in here. Spooky time. Over here crying and, oh, I love you, Emily. No, you don't, because why'd you do what you did then? Go ahead, start drinking. Where the next beer at? No, 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 not this. Not this, no. That's locked. Can I get out of here? I really don't want to be in here, I'm not gonna lie. It is so dark. Emily! Oh. Case, you look masculine. For real? Didn't know that. Like, out of all places to say that, just right here. Out of absolute left field. Just out of left field. Somebody just randomly types, Case, you look masculine. I mean, in the middle of a... Do you like candy corn? I do like candy corn. Candy corn's actually good. I like candy corn. It's good. Candy corn's overhated for no reason. It's actually good. Somebody said bro had a bro had an out-of-body experience. No, I don't want it to be dark. No, I don't want it to be dark, bruh. Please. Where are we going? Lord have mercy. Buddy, what is this basement? Emily! Dude. I'm suing the devs of that game. It's over. I'm suing them. That is, dude, that 1.5% chance of rolling that is literally so wrong. That's got to be like 30%. Because I rolled it, what, 2-3 times that time. Somebody said bro had an out of body experience.